curricular approach in scientific education. It's because in my city we have a group of about 20 teachers that are working very hard to implement scientific education in public schools. And we organize a science fair every year, and last year we got financial support by the federal government, and we could also publish a magazine.
Yes.
I brought some. I apologize because I couldn't bring for everybody, but if you want, I can send as I arrive in Brazil. So the topic for the first project will be about dinosaurs. My audience will be a group of 8 teachers, English, science, and Portuguese teachers. They are my colleagues and they agreed to work on this project with me. And our students, that is between 11 to 14 years old. We chose this topic because students at this age usually like to talk about dinosaurs. And we have a lot of movies, and we had a soap opera in Brazil as well. And as I was coming here, I could bought some materials at the Natural History Museum. So now you can work with authentic materials. And I bought books, a puzzle, some models about dinosaurs. My general aim is not to teach the topic dinosaurs. It's just to start to work in a different way. It's through the topic, invite students to research in a different way, link information from different subjects and put together to build a new knowledge. And because we have the science fair, many students are very interested in participate. So if they can write a good summary and make a good poster, they can submit their work to present the science fair and maybe publish in the magazine next year. The subjects involved will be English, science, and Portuguese. In English, they will learn how to describe a dinosaur, how to find specific information in scientific texts, and how to make a poster about curiosities or fantastic facts about dinosaurs. I'm saying this way. In science, they will learn about the dinosaurs in habitat, dinosaurs around the world, and dinosaurs in Brazil. And how scientists nowadays do research about dinosaurs. In Portuguese, they will learn how to summarize ideas and how to contrast fiction materials and scientific materials. Because we have an agency in Brazil called CPRM, that is the National Geological Service, and I didn't know that, but they also do researches about dinosaurs. And they collaborate with my school because we have a course about petroleum. But I didn't know they also conduct research about dinosaurs. My reference, the theoretical background, were the PCNs, Parâmetros Curriculares Nacionais, that is our national curriculum, and Meristo, Marsh and Friggles, Coyle and Marsh, and all the materials I could collect and bought at the Natural History Museum. So before implement the project in the schools, I will do 2 workshops with the teachers in my school, and then we will try to do the activities with the students. So I hope they can be engaged and motivated to research in a different way, and then they can, if they want, submit their research to the science fair and to the magazine too. Thank you so much.